Okay, so for today's EQAO practice, we are going to be looking at the number sense strand, and the overall expectation we are looking at is B2 operations. We are going to use knowledge of numbers and operations to solve mathematical problems encountered in everyday life. So we're going to start with number 4. The question here says, which two numbers when multiplied together equal 30? So we are looking at multiplication. So for the first one, we're multiplying 3 and 0. That means we have 3 groups of nothing. So we're drawing 1, 2, 3. How many do we have in each group?
0.
So nothing. So what's our answer? 3 times 0 is?
0.
0. Good. There's nothing in the groups. What about if we have 5 groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are in each group? We're multiplying 5 and 3.
3 in
1,
each
2, 3. Yep. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many do we have all together? So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. All together we have
15.
Good. Does that equal 30?
No.
Did the first one equal 30?
No.
So we know these two are wrong. Let's try the next one. Okay, so let's look at the next one. It says 10 and 2. We're multiplying together 10 and 2. So we can draw 10 groups of 2. What's another way we could represent this?
2 groups of 10.
Sure. Do you want to draw 10 groups of 2 or do you want to draw 2 groups of 10?
2 groups of
Sure,
10.
that would be easier to draw, right? So let's draw 2 groups. Oops. 1, 2, and then in each group we're going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 and 10. How many do we have all together?
We have 20.
Good. Excellent. Does that equal 30 when we multiply them together?
No.
No. So let's try the last one. We have to verify and make sure that it works. We have 10 and 3. So do you want to draw 10 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 10?
3 groups of 10.
Okay, so let's draw 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And how many are you going to put in each group?
10.
Okay, so 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
up to 10. 8,
8,
9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then the last
1,
group.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we have 10 in here, 10 in here, and 10 in here. How many do you have all together? 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals?
Equals 30.
So is that the answer?
Yeah.
Which two numbers when multiplied together give you 30?
10
And?
3.
Excellent. Okay, number 5. This question says Kai has 138 blocks and Luca has 184 blocks. The question says how many blocks do they have in total? They're asking for the total. What does that mean they're asking you to do? What operation would you do to find the total amount of blocks?
Add 138 plus 184.
Excellent. You're going to add them together. So can you want to write that out how you would do that? 138. Okay. And?
184.
And what are we doing?
Adding.
Adding. Good. So how are you going to solve this? You're going to do what first?
8 plus 4, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good.
You put the 2 here and the 1 over here.
Good. Carry the 1. And now what are you adding?
8 plus 4 equals the same thing.
Good.
So you do 2 down here and 1 you carry over.
Good.
So, and then you can go 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3.
1 plus 1 plus 1. Good.
322.
Wow. Do you see that answer anywhere from the multiple choice?
Right here.
Excellent. So the answer is D. Very well done. Okay, this is our last question for number sense. We're looking at this question 6 that says, what two numbers make this subtraction problem correct? So we have 700 and something take away 256 will give us 474. Now, let's pretend that I had a pizza, okay? And the pizza had 8 pieces, okay? The total is 8. If I said, so I'm starting with 8 pieces. If I say I'm going to take 2 pieces away, how many slices am I left with?
6.
6. What if I said to you, we're going to go backwards now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. How many more pieces do I need to get the full pizza? I started with 8 pieces. How many more pieces do I need?
2.
2. That would get me back to my original pizza. Okay? As you can see, subtraction and addition are opposite. So if I know that I'm left with 474 and I took 256 away, what would I do with these two numbers to figure out what I started with? What did we do here to figure out what we started with?
We added them together.
So if I take 474 and add it to 256, I can actually figure out this missing number. So let's add those together. So we're starting with 4 plus 6.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Put the 0 here and carry over the 1.
Yep.
And then 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good.
Put the 3 over here and carry the 1 over.
Good.
Then you add 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So you put the 7 here. So the answer is
So fill in the numbers, 730. Good. So what are the 2 missing digits that make this true?
3 and 0. So the answer is C.
Excellent. Very well done. Stay tuned and come back for more EQAO questions. We're going to be looking at a different strand tomorrow.